Okay, it is first detected in the month of April 2026, and it started in Ripoy district, and then from Ripoy district is again detected to other districts like East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, and Eastern West Khasi Hills.
Which is the most affected district?
The most affected is Ripoy district.
Doctor, if you can tell us a little bit more about if you can tell us a little bit about the steps that has been taken by the directorate to stop further spread of the disease.
Okay. The department has activated rapid response teams, RRTs, intensified surveillance, implemented movement controls, undertaken awareness campaign, and is coordinating with district administration, local bodies, and also with law enforcement agencies to contain the disease.
If you can tell us a little bit about the do's and don'ts at present during this African swine fever.
Okay. Like what I have told you earlier, this movement controls. That means from this affected zone, infected zone, not to go out or into the surveillance zone, and also at the same time from surveillance zone they cannot come in or they cannot come into or out of the affected zone. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You'll give the question again?
Yes. If you can tell us a little bit about the do's and don'ts.
Okay. Pig farmers are advised to restrict entry of visitors to pig farms, maintain strict farm hygiene and biosecurity measures, avoid sharing equipments between farms. They immediately report of any sudden illness or death of pigs to the veterinary authorities. And then they also we advise the farmers to refrain from feeding kitchen or restaurant waste. And for human also, we can all consume, but by cooking properly, as this we can consume, because this disease is not affected to human. It affects only pigs.
It means selling of pork is not restricted in the market.
No, not at all. Yeah. Pork trade and consumption is in unaffected areas are not banned at all.
Any word of advice, doctor, from your end to the general public?
The government, the government requests the public and pig farmers not to panic. ASF affects pigs and not human. Cooperation, the message to the public is we need their cooperation with veterinary authorities, adherence to strict biosecurity measures, and prompt reporting of any death or illness or any mortality are essential to control the outbreak of this disease and to protect livelihoods.
Thank you.
Thank you.